Thinking of closing old credit cards before applying for a mortgage? Don't. Here's why. Closing accounts lowers your available credit, which increases your utilization ratio, and utilization makes it about 30% of your credit score. I had a client who closed 2 cards before applying. Their score dropped a whopping 42 points. That delay cost them 2 months before we get them approved. This myth survives because it feels logical. Fewer cards should mean less risk, but the scoring module doesn't see it that way. Don't close accounts before applying for a mortgage. Keep them open and pay balances down instead. Reply credit fix, and I send you my free list of the 5 do's and don'ts before buying a home.